Morning everyone, John from Popeyes Postcards. We're going to do our daily what sold video. Before we get started with that, again, I want to thank all my new subscribers. Not sure if you're coming in from my interview with Chris, the thrift shop hustler, or from the video about the million postcard haul. But anyway, thank you for stopping in. And before we get really started with the million postcard haul. I'm leaving tomorrow to go get that. So I will have a what sold video tomorrow morning. I have a video coming out on Friday, which is part 19 of the beginner's guide, and it's all about how I list. I think it's like a 39-minute video or something like that. So apologize in advance for that. Don't know if I'll have a video Saturday. I'll be driving back from Minneapolis, so I don't know. I'm gonna try to go live, but I don't have anything ready to go for Saturday or Sunday at this time. So as you can see on this screen, the sales from January 25th were pretty good. Had 28 orders on eBay for $260. Had one order on Hip for $8. So 29 orders yesterday for $268. A really good day. Let's go ahead and get into the cards that sold. This is Brandywine Springs Summer Houses Cabins, 1907, publisher George Wolfe or Geo Wolfe. Brandywine, Pennsylvania. Brandywine is a river. I'm not sure if it's an actual town also. It might be. I'm not 100% sure. But within the last, probably 5+ years ago, Brandywine River, Brandywine area of Pennsylvania, some of those cards were selling for $200-300. I'm not 100% sure if that Brandywine is still that desirable, but it was, and that's where I guess this is located very close to that. So anyway, $12 on a best offer for that card. This is Baltimore, Maryland, Camden Yards Orioles baseball stadium. It's a continental size, and I have a whole stack of these. Well, I probably have 10, and this one sold for $249. Got these in the auction in August. Paid pennies for that card. Large letter greetings from Coney Island, New York, circa 1940s. Linen. This is an uncommon view, or an uncommon large letter for Coney Island. I don't remember where I got this. Probably paid $1 or less for it. Sold for $17.50, and I used the book, the large letter greetings book, to help determine the rarity of this card. And $17.50, so that's a good sale. Merry Christmas greetings, Poinsettia Bell, 1910, John Winch. And there's the John Winch information. Kind of a generic-ish view, but I think the John Winch information, or the publisher, helped. This is a winch back. It has those leaves or berries or whatever they are, and those 4 or 5 squares. So that's what a winch back looks like. And winch back was reproduced by other manufacturers, other publishers. Just be wary of that. $3.50 for that Christmas card. This is Erie, Pennsylvania, Waits Cavalerio. I don't know, motel and restaurant, multi-view. It's a chrome, probably judging by the phone numbers, 1950s, getting into the 60s. That sold for $9.74. Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, Pennsylvania Railroad Station Depot, circa 1950s. Cool old cars. And that sold for $4.99. Avon Park, Florida, Dual-View banner greetings from Avon Park in 1950s. And that sold for $5.99. This is a U.S. Navy ship, armored cruiser, California in San Francisco Bay. Usually I put the I usually put the haul number in the title. I don't know why I did that this time. I probably paid 30 cents for that card. $10.99. Bought that from a antique mall where the dealer had passed away, and the family was liquidating his cards for 90% off. So $10.99 for that card. Should have put the haul number in the title. This is Woodward, Pennsylvania, historical Woodward Inn, 1950s. I didn't pay. I may have paid 10 cents, probably less. $7.99. Not 100% sure where that came from. This is German TSN postcard, beautiful white dog Samoyed Spitz Eskimo. I couldn't quite figure out. I don't think I could figure out what that type of dog is. So I came up with the 3 there that fit the most. There's a puppers. $15.99. I believe I took a best offer, but I don't remember what that was. But I'll call it $15.99. Not sure if this is a Manzer. No, TSN. Yeah, this is the Manzer. Alfred Manzer, dressed cats, moving truck movers. Could have worked in the word anthropomorphic, but that took up too much room in the title for this card. Alfred Manzer, some of his older cards, I think the more desirable ones are ones that were printed in I think it's Belgium. This is Spain, but I think it's Belgium are the more desirable ones. $7.99 for that card, which is about going rate. The older ones I can get usually 12 for, so 8's not bad. Nazareth, Pennsylvania, Old Military Academy, circa 1940s. There's that card. $7 on a best offer. This is Grand Junction, Colorado, 1950s view, Main Street business area. There's that. A lot of signs up there for keywords. And I think this is going to Italy. Well, it's either going to Italy, Norway, or the United Kingdom. But I know it's going overseas. $8.99 for that card. Next, Zion, Illinois Municipal Golf Course, 1960s. I've always done really well with golf courses, golf clubs. $6.99. Next, Winchester, Virginia, Hillman's Toll Gate, Sheridan's Army Pay Toll, 1920s. This lady stopped the whole Sheridan's Army and made them pay a toll. That's funny. That's amusing. So there's that. $6.99 for that card. I believe the next 3 all the same type, all going to the same buyer. This is official souvenir postcard, 1904 St. Louis World's Fair, Palace of Electricity. There's that. I think I sold these. I think it was best offer of $5 or $5.99. And here is the Missouri State Building. And there's the official seal of the World's Fair. And then Palace of Mines and Metallurgy. There's that. Someone tried to sell it for $10 at one time. $6.99. The 1904 World's Fair, not as desirable as the 1893 Columbian Exposition. Next cards, Native American Indian woman, Schlesinger, 1910s. I think I took a best offer of $11 or $12. Whereas right there, you don't know if you can see it, but right there at the corner, right there, is Schlesinger. Sometimes that's hard to see. They did a lot of these drawings, Native Americana women. And there are ones that are hand colored that truthfully look like someone in grade school colored them, but they have brought more money than these plain, untinted, uncolored ones. So $14.99, I believe I took a best offer. And then this one is another Native Americana Indian woman, full headdress, 1910s. Looks like a National Art Company. There's that. And probably paid 30 cents. And that's probably when it went for, $10.99. Two pretty cats, kittens playing thread spool, artist signed M. Stocks, 1909. There's the signature. Came in a kitty cat collection I bought, $9.99. That collection, I can't remember what I paid. It was expensive. I paid $400 or $500, maybe even $600 for that collection. There's a video somewhere in my old videos. Latrobe, Pennsylvania, Hotel Miller, 1910s, $4.99. Kind of rough shape. Here's that. Yeah, very rough shape. $4.99 for that card. More cats. This is Kittens in Shopping Crate, box 1907, Cupid's Offering. These all went to, the next couple went to the same buyer. Also came from the cat collection, I believe. George Whitney. There's this one, Kittens in Shipping Crate, artist portrait. When I don't know the name of the artist, I'll put in artist portrait, something like that. These ones I think I took probably best offers around $11. Mama Cat Kittens Blue Ball of Yarn box. Oop, looks like I forgot to take the word box out. I definitely copied and pasted the title. $14.99, but again I think probably took a best offer of $11 or so. Large letter greetings from Cape Cod, Mass, circa 1938, linen. I think I have one of these left. $2.49. And another one of those World War II era military humor doctor giving sailor a shot. Says I'm sold out. The buyer of these cards yesterday bought 3 of this one. And I have, I think, another 20 or 30. And I relisted those. And then they bought 5 of this one. And same thing, I probably have 50 more of these. And relisted them. So $2.99 for those. Artist signed Charles 12 Trees, Babies. No more kissing cause you slobbers. Nice. There's that, and there's 12 trees right above my head. He does have a signature. I've not seen it on these ones, but it's a unique signature. So $5.99 for that one. And then over on Hip, one postcard. It's Virginia, Confederate Stonewall Jackson Monument linen. And sold for $8. So there you go. Pretty good day yesterday. $268 in orders. So that's it. I thank you for tuning in and watching. And stay tuned over the next week or so we can take a closer look at the Million Postcard haul. As always, thank you for watching.